Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the matrix question which I have written on the whiteboard. So here we need to find the values of x and y. A given matrix is 2 into a 3, 4, 5x plus another matrix is 1, y, 0, 1 and equals to 7, 0, 10, 5. Now first multiply by 2. So 2 times of 3 is 6, 8, 10 and 2x. And then write down the other matrix as it is. Now add the the left hand side matrices. So 6 plus 1, 8 plus y, 10 plus 0, 2x plus 1 equals to 7, 0, 10, 5. Now 6 plus 1 becomes 7 and 8 plus y as it is and 10 plus 0 which is 10 and 2x plus 1 equals to 7, 0, 10, 5. You can see a 7 and 10 in the row. So here just compare the left hand side matrix and the right hand side matrix and find the x and y values. So just compare it. So 8 plus y equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 equals to 5. So if we subtract 8 on both sides, we'll get y is equals to minus 8. And here 2x plus 1 equals to 5. So subtract 1 on both sides. So we'll get 2x is equals to 4. And x is equals to 4 by 2, which is 2. So finally we can conclude that the values of x and y are 2 and minus 8 respectively. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.